below there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up a direct deposit on Cash App. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Cash App and then log into your account and tap the balance or banking icon in the bottom left corner. Scroll down to more ways to add money and tap direct deposit. Tap get started and then search for your employer in the provided database. You may need to log into your employer's account directly through the Cash App interface. If your employer is not listed, you will have to use the manual setup, and that's going to be by opening Cash App and tapping the balance or banking icon in the bottom left, scrolling down to more ways to add money and then tapping on direct deposit, then tap on get account and routing numbers or fill out a form, and then copy your Cash App account and routing numbers. You may need to provide these directly to your employer or HR department, and then fill out the required information for your employer on the form that Cash App generates. You can then email or print the form to submit to your employer. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.